about that my camera froze up because it's so cold outside, but I just kept continue working. But right now I'm just gonna go ahead and torque the caliper, the 18 millimeter bolts. That's one at the top, one at the bottom. I'm gonna go ahead and torque those down. Okay, that one's within specs. Okay, that one's torqued. Okay. So now I'm gonna move along to installing back the ABS connector. This one makes push the wire through. Push it all the way around. And I'm doing this with gloves on, so some here. This hook. Okay, like so. Alright, so that's a 10 millimeter. Okay, going in. Oh no, this is 13. The snow's coming down on us. 8. 10, okay. Line her up. Oh man, battery again. Everything freezes in the cold. It's a 10, so you don't have to go too crazy. Ready? Then feed your line back through. Going under. Then this next metal bracket right here. This piece has this also. Oh, this one doesn't have a hook. Okay. So into the chassis. Well, it does have a hook. It's at the top here. So you hook it at the top. Your 8 millimeter bolt. Always try to thread it in by hand. Go up. Okay. And that's an 8 mil, by the way. Make sure your bracket's in flat against the chassis. Go ahead and tighten her down. Okay, that's done. Then you got your little clip right here. Like sideways, like so. Put her inside. Push. She's locked in. You push back your sensor inside of your fender here. That goes like so. And then now I got to torque the pinch roll bolts. and I think we're pretty much almost done. And we got to torque the axle nut down, so we're almost there. Okay, so the torque specs. Okay, so I think, what was the pinch roll? I think it was 52. Okay, the pinch bolt, yeah, 52. So we're gonna set it to 52. 52, that's good enough. And I'm gonna 15 mil on this side over here. Mil. Get my 13 on the other side. Okay, she's in. Torque pinch on there. Hold this one over here. Oh, actually I did something wrong. Hold on. Actually, I'm gonna release this a bit. What you want to do, I'm gonna apply a little bit of pressure underneath the bottom here. Make sure that's all the way up in there. I'm gonna put my jack underneath the bottom. Put on the bottom of the ball joint. I got a little rubber cup in here. Just want to apply enough pressure. Okay, it went up a bit, so we know it's in there. So now continue what we're doing over here. 13 mil on that side, 15 mil over here. Let's go. Get it started. Okay. Make sure your socket's on there. Okay, that's torque to specs. Now we can release the jack. Now we're gonna torque our axle nut down. And according to the specs, it says you want to get this down to about 214 foot-pounds. 32 mil. I'm gonna go for max, and I'm gonna put my compressor, my impact gun on it, and get it down there. Let's see what happens here. You might have to go inside and maybe hit the brakes. Huh? You might have to hit the brakes. It's okay, that's fine. It's okay. Okay. So I'll give it a couple of hits with my gun. Okay. And after you finish, you want to go ahead, start the vehicle up, then pump the brakes and put your wheel on. take the vehicle for a test drive. And thanks for watching my video. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Sorry if I get to miss some of the footage. My camera froze because we're outside in Canada and it's pretty cold right now. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And thanks, and see you on the next one. Peace.